Hi everyone, welcome to YourPedia. There is a very important update from BARC, that is Baba Atomic Research Center. OCES 2024 examination result is out. So these are the list of candidates who got selected. There is a list. If you are in the list of this selected candidates, then the next step is going to be interview preparation. See, BARC interview preparation is very much different from other interviews. In BARC interview, the questions, interview questions will be completely innovative. I can say they will check your depth of the knowledge, see whether you are able to think on your own. If something is changed in the existing equation, you are going to understand what it is changed and you are going to derive something from that or not. These kind of things will be checked in BARC interview. See, BARC interview is more in depth than the width, I can say. And in electrical engineering, especially I am going to discuss about electrical engineering. In electrical engineering, the important subjects, you can choose any of the 5 subjects, I can say, but the important subjects are those who prepared for written examination, I can say, is electrical machines, power electronics, power system, network analysis and control systems. You can choose signals and systems, analog electronics and digital electronics also. But see, as you are an electrical engineer, if you are more inclined towards the core subjects, I always tell you to choose the core subjects. Or if you are inclined towards electronic subjects also, that is also fine. That is also fine. But any 5 subjects you have to prepare. You need not to prepare all 10 to 11 subjects. How you prepared for gate examination or written examination, you have to prepare all that 10 to 11 subjects. Any 5 subjects are any size 5 subjects you can choose. There is no restriction of the 5 subjects you are going to choose. In fact, you can choose mathematics also if you are good at mathematics. But I suggest you to go with these subjects, network analysis, which is the basic for entire electrical and electronics engineering. Without having the knowledge of network analysis, it is not possible to study power system. I can say electrical machines and power electronics. So if you see power electronics or power system or electrical machine, what are the subjects you are going to find? Voltage, current, power factor, input power factor, output power factor, form factor, these things only, right? So I'll suggest you to take network analysis as your first subject if you are comfortable. You can choose any subject, but network analysis is going to be a very good subject, simple subject in fact for every electrical and electronic engineer. See, there is one very important update from YourPedia, that is we are going to conduct one orientation session on 11th April 2024 at 8 p.m. Those who got their number in this list, I suggest all of you to attend this orientation session. In this session, we are going to discuss with you guys the preparation strategy and the subject to select and what type of questions will be asked, how you have to answer. So what about last year's selection? So all these things we are going to discuss in this orientation session, that is 11th April 2024 at 8 p.m. Please note the date and time. Yeah, come to BARC interview preparation for electrical engineering. I can say, see, the sample question, suppose they will ask you what is a time constant. What is the physical interpretation of time constant? How you can find time constant? Time constant depends on what? If there is an RC circuit, if it is required to reduce the time constant, what you are going to do? So you may select the time constant of an RC circuit is R into C. Sir, I am going to reduce either R equivalent or C equivalent. But depending on the situation, you have to select whether you have to reduce R equivalent or C equivalent, depending on the application there, right? You might study the RC circuit with DC input voltage and the switch is closed at T is equal to 0. But they will give you impulse input, impulse voltage source, and they will close the switch at T is equal to 0. They will ask you to draw the waveforms of voltage across capacitor or voltage across resistor or current in the circuit, and they will ask you to verify law of conservation of energy. So many things like this they will ask you. See, they will start with very simple question. From there they will extend. They will link this subject with other subject, and how you are thinking, how you are approaching towards the problem that is asked by them is very important in BARC interview. Here at YourPedia, we panel of expertise faculties or mentors are going to take mock and snap interviews similar to that of BARC original interviews, right? So join your hands with YourPedia to accelerate your preparation towards BARC interview. Thank you.